Luxury is no longer defined by size alone, it is defined by intelligence, restraint, and intent. Today, we explore an Australian duplex that challenges traditional perceptions of shared living, transforming a single structure into two refined expressions of modern elegance. Through architectural precision, bespoke interiors, and seamless spatial flow, this residence proves that contemporary luxury is not about excess, but about mastery. Let's step inside a design that redefines modern living.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The front facade sets the tone with quiet confidence. Sculpted concrete forms are softened by vertical timber detailing, creating a balance between strength and warmth. Although the duplex shares a unified architectural language, subtle variations in material rhythm allow each residence to maintain its individuality. Floor-to-ceiling glazing invites natural light while matte black steel accents sharpen the overall composition. This is not a facade designed to impress loudly, it impresses through discipline, proportion, and clarity. Inside, the living room unfolds as a double-height volume where light becomes a design feature. Expansive glazing blurs the boundary between indoors and outdoors, while polished concrete floors ground the space with modern restraint. Custom furnishings are intentionally minimal, allowing architectural elements, timber feature walls and the floating staircase, to command attention. The space feels open yet intimate, designed not for display, but for lived-in luxury and effortless comfort. The master bedroom is a retreat defined by calm sophistication. Soft textures, warm timber floors, and a muted palette create an atmosphere of quiet indulgence. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame natural light without sacrificing privacy, while integrated storage maintains visual purity. Every element is deliberate, nothing distracts, nothing overwhelms. This room isn't designed to impress guests, it's designed to restore its occupants. The kitchen serves as both functional core and visual anchor. A sculptural stone island dominates the space, balancing utility with elegance. Matte cabinetry and integrated appliances preserve clean lines, while timber accents add warmth and tactility. Designed for both entertaining and everyday living, the layout promotes movement, interaction, and connection. This is a kitchen that performs as beautifully as it looks. The mezzanine introduces vertical dialogue within the home. Overlooking the living space, it creates connection without intrusion. Glass balustrades maintain transparency, while timber flooring reinforces warmth. Whether used as a lounge or private retreat, this level demonstrates how thoughtful planning can maximize space without compromise. It's architecture working in harmony with lifestyle. The bathroom transforms daily routine into ritual. Natural stone surfaces envelop the space, while a freestanding bathtub becomes the sculptural centerpiece. Matte black fixtures offer contrast without dominance, and indirect lighting enhances depth and calm. This is a space where luxury whispers, not shouts, designed to slow time and elevate the ordinary. The front yard reinforces architectural intent through landscape. Native planting softens hard lines, while minimalist pathways guide arrival with subtle elegance. Integrated lighting enhances the facade after dark, transforming the approach into a composed, welcoming experience. This exterior space is not decorative, it is architectural, extending the design language outward. The rooftop redefines private outdoor living. Elevated above the street, it offers panoramic views and a sense of escape. Timber decking, streamlined furniture, and integrated greenery create a refined yet relaxed atmosphere. Whether for quiet reflection or evening gatherings, this space captures the luxury of elevation, both physically and emotionally. The home office is a study in focus and restraint. Natural light floods the space, while custom-built desks and shelving provide structure without clutter. Neutral tones promote clarity, making this room equally suited for productivity and creativity. In a home designed for modern living, this space acknowledges that work deserves the same design consideration as leisure. The backyard is a seamless extension of the interior. Timber decking, built-in seating, and subtle lighting create a space that invites gathering without excess. Greenery introduces softness, while architectural lines maintain cohesion. This is not a backyard, it's an outdoor living room, designed for moments that unfold naturally. This Australian duplex is more than a home, it is a lesson in modern luxury. Through restraint, precision, and thoughtful design, it proves that shared architecture can still deliver privacy, elegance, and identity. In redefining how we live together, it sets a new benchmark for contemporary residential design.